In this Argos Support video, we will show you different methods to descale your kettle. We recommend descaling your kettle to prevent limescale buildup, which can reduce the efficiency of your kettle and affect the taste of the water. Descaling your kettle regularly will increase its lifespan and ensure that it is hygienic. Check your user manual for specific guidance on maintaining your appliance. Firstly, remove the filter. Please refer to your instruction manual if you are not sure how to do this. The filter can be cleaned by running it under a tap and gently brushing with a soft brush or cloth. One method of descaling is using purpose-made descaler for kettles. Follow the instructions on the packet to descale. The descaler featured in this video requires you to boil half a kettle, then wait 10 minutes before adding the descaler. Once added, leave for 6 minutes before pouring the solution down the sink. Once emptied, rinse the kettle with cold water and boil again with clean water. Remove the kettle from the base and use a soft brush to remove any limescale residue. Finally, rinse one more time. The second method we recommend is using lemons to descale your kettle. Firstly, fill the kettle halfway with water. Then, add 2 slices of lemon or the juice of 1 lemon. Next, boil the kettle and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, boil the kettle again. Pour out the water and remove the lemons from the kettle. Finally, rinse the kettle with cold water. Another method we recommend is using white vinegar and water. Mix a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water. Next, fill the kettle halfway with the solution. Allow the solution to sit for 30 minutes before boiling the kettle. Once boiled, pour the water into a sink. Rinse the kettle thoroughly with water. You may need to rinse the kettle a few times to remove any traces of vinegar. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.